How do archaeologists perform ceramic analysis? Imagine holding a piece of ancient pottery and trying to unlock the story it tells about the people who made it. That's what archaeologists do when they analyze ceramics. They start by carefully examining the pottery fragments, called sherds, for their color, texture, shape, and decoration. These details give clues about how the pottery was made and used. For example, a shiny glaze might suggest it was used for special occasions, while rougher textures could mean everyday storage vessels. Next, archaeologists measure and describe the shapes and sizes of the sherds. This process, known as morphological analysis, helps them imagine what the original vessel looked like. They look at the rim, body, and base to figure out if it was a bowl, jar, or plate. Knowing the shape helps understand how the pottery was used, whether for cooking, storing food, or ceremonial purposes. Decoration analysis is another key step. Archaeologists look at painted designs, incisions, or surface treatments. These decorations can reveal cultural identity or social status. For example, intricate painted patterns might belong to a specific group or indicate a special function. Sometimes, the decorations also have symbolic meanings, which can tell us about the beliefs or practices of the people. Context is also important. Archaeologists study where the pottery was found and how it relates to other artifacts and features. This helps place the ceramics within a broader social or chronological framework. For instance, finding similar pottery in different sites can show trade routes or migration patterns. Scientists also analyze the chemical makeup of the ceramics. Techniques like X-ray diffraction or neutron activation analysis identify the minerals and clay sources used. This helps trace where the raw materials came from and whether the pottery was made locally or imported. It can also reveal technological choices made by ancient potters. Residue analysis is another fascinating part. It involves examining organic remains absorbed into the pottery's pores. These residues can tell us what kinds of food or liquids were stored or cooked in the vessels. This gives us clues about ancient diets and food-sharing practices. From an anthropological point of view, archaeologists combine their findings with ethnographic studies of modern pottery making. Observing how current potters work can help interpret ancient techniques and cultural meanings behind styles. All these steps together help archaeologists reconstruct how ancient societies produced, used, and traded pottery. By combining visual, contextual, and scientific methods, they piece together stories of past human life through the study of ceramics. This approach helps us understand not just the objects, but the people and cultures behind them.